Hi, I'm Boss Organizer Perky Dean, and I have a holiday tip for you. When you're working with your holiday ornaments, or your wreaths, or your lighting, perhaps garland, consider putting those items back in the packaging and storing them there for the next holiday season. You could take boxes like this and put it inside of a plastic bin or an old shoebox that you don't need anymore. That way you can store everything away neatly for the next holiday season. Listen, there's going to be a lot of holiday magic going on December the 4th. Come join us. Register today.